Hi guys, meron kaming biniling chokes to go.
Ang ganda na.
Diba? Tapos may binili kami, nanood kami ng sine. Tapos nagutom kami bumili kami ng chokes to go. It's 320 pesos. Hindi ito sponsored product ng chokes to go Kayo talaga. Meron din kami virgin oil. Meron din pimiento, olive oil, Filippo Berrio. What's the taste of these chokes to go? Masarap bang chokes to go?